Now let us discuss 79. Match the xenon compounds in column 1 with its structures on column 2 and assign the correct code. This type of matching questions you can easily solve by using the method elimination. That means there is no need to know all the structures of the xenon compounds. You have to know one of them perfectly. You can easily eliminate the given options. This xenon compound is very familiar. Why? Because this is an important 4-mark question in intermediate second year. We know that xenons belongs to inert group, that is a group 18, that it contains 8 electrons: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. By using of 4 electrons of xenon to form a bond with fluorine. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Xenon using 4 electrons to form a bonds with fluorine. Remaining 2 lone pairs. That means 4 electrons are vacant. These 2 are lone pairs. Now let us draw its structure. Xenon present in the central. The 4 fluorine atoms are attached in this way. The 2 lone pairs are present above and below. Actually, this structure is octahedral, but due to the presence of 2 lone pair of electrons, its structure is square planar. We know that XeF4 belonging to square planar structure. A matches with 2. This is damn sure XeF4 is a conformly square planar structure. Okay, now let us verify the given options. A matches with 2. That is A equal to 2. In option A equal to 1. So you can easily eliminate option 1. And here A equal to 2. In option 2, A equal to 2 is present. In option 3 also A equal to 2 is present. In option 4, A equal to 3. So you can easily eliminate option 4 also. By knowing of the structure of one xenon compound, you can easily eliminate 2 options. Okay. HeO3. Here xenon belonging to group 18, it has 8 electrons. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here xenon forms a double bond with oxygen. That means to form double bond it requires 2 electrons. Okay, xenon form one double bond with oxygen. Here 3 oxygens are present. That means 6 electrons are required to form a double bond with oxygens. Here 2 electrons are used to form one double bond with oxygen. Here these 2 electrons are used to form a double bond with oxygen. These 2 electrons are used to form a double bond with oxygen. So remaining 2 electrons are lone pairs. Now let us try to draw its structure. Xenon having 2 lone pair of electrons and a double bond O, double bond O and double bond O. Its structure is pyramidal structure. Why? Because its structure is similar to ammonia. In ammonia also, nitrogen having lone pair of electrons, bond hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen is present. That's why its structure is pyramidal. That means D matches with 1. Now let us verify the given options. Here D equal to 1. Okay. In option 3, D equal to 4. So you can eliminate option 3. There is no need to verify the remaining options. Why? Because we only left with option 2. So our option is 2 is our correct answer. Now let us verify the remaining B, C structures also. Why we use distorted? That means due to the lone pair of electrons, this octahedral structure is distorted. That means disturbance is take place. So XCF6 matches with 3. Here B matches with 3. Okay. Now let us try to understand the structure of XeO F4. This structure is called square pyramidal. So C is matches with 4. Here C equal to 4. So our option 2 is our correct answer.